and welcome to The Accounting Nerd, your YouTube channel about financial and sustainability accounting. I'm Mario, and today we're going to talk about what is a balance sheet, how does it work, and what does it actually have to do with the accounting equation. The balance sheet or statement of financial position reports a company's assets, equity and liabilities at a certain point in time.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, let's do this step by step. A balance sheet gives us information about what a company owns, assets, and what a company owes, equity and liabilities. Equity is the money that a company owes to the shareholders of the company. Liabilities are its money that a company owes, for example, to a bank because the bank gave the company a loan. Or in other words, you can also see the left and right hand side as the following. Assets show us how the company used its money, and equity and liability show us where the money comes from.
As already said, the balance sheet shows us the financial position of a company at a certain point in time.
This certain point in time is for most companies the 31st of December because this is the day where most of the financial years of companies end.
As the name already says, a balance sheet has to balance. That means the left-hand side has to be equal to the right-hand side.
So this is where the accounting equation comes into play.
The accounting equation requires that assets equal liabilities plus equity. And this is always the case that the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. This is how a simplified balance sheet looks like. On the left-hand side we have assets, for example cash, equipment, for example machines, property, inventory or financial instruments. On the right-hand side we have equity, mainly consisting of shareholders' capital, so the money that shareholders gave to the company, and returned earnings, so profits from the past that were not given to the shareholders in form of dividends. And on the right-hand side we have liabilities, for example loans or provisions.
Now, let's look at an example of a balance sheet to see how it actually works.
First, you give cash to your company, let's say 15 euros. That means your cash increases by 15 euros, and since left-hand side and right-hand side have to equal, your equity increases as well. So you have 15 euros more in cash and 15 euros more in equity. Next, imagine you go to the grocery store and buy spaghetti and tomato sauce for in total 10 euros. So the cash you have decreases by 10 euros, but the amount of inventories increases by 10 euros. So the left-hand side and the right-hand side are still in balance because we had only a swap on the left-hand side, that means an asset swap. The sum in total is still the same. Next, we need a pot to cook the spaghetti. Since a pot costs 20 euros, but we only have 5 euros cash left, we need to borrow 15 euros. Therefore, our liabilities increase by 15 euros on the right-hand side, but we also receive cash of 15 euros on the left-hand side. So our balance sheet is still in balance. Now we buy the pot for 20 euros. So we have no cash left on our balance sheet, but now we have a pot which is recognized as equipment on our balance sheet. Finally, we cook the pasta and sell it for 13 euros. So there is no inventory left since we used the pasta and the sauce, but we received 13 euros in cash. Perfect, so we finished now the accounting treatment for our small example.
It's a trap!
Don't forget, left-hand side and right-hand side always have to balance. So we received 13 euros of cash, but the spaghetti and sauce cost only 10 euros. So we made a profit of 3 euros, which is recognized as retained earnings. So now we have a balanced balance sheet.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to not miss any further accounting related videos. If you want me to make a video on a specific topic, please write it down in the comments below. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.